The latest revolution in snow clearing technology meets the cutting edge of cordless innovation with the SnowJoe 48-volt 18-inch cordless snowblower powered by SnowJoe's exclusive IONMAX 24-volt lithium-ion battery system. Cut the cord with IONMAX cordless convenience to blast past the limits of the extension cord and go anywhere power is at a premium. SnowJoe clears an 18-inch wide by 10-inch deep path in a single pass. The powerful 1200-watt brushless motor plows through up to 10 tons of snow per charge, up to 700 pounds per minute, while the integrated scraper bar at the base of the unit clears right to the ground without damaging your deck, driveway, or pavement. Put the powder precisely where you want it. SnowJoe's adjustable chute control rotates 180 degrees to throw snow up to 20 feet away in any direction. And after dark, the integrated 2-watt LED headlight lights the way for safer nighttime clearing. And when there's more work to be done, boost your battery power. Keep on throwing when it won't stop snowing. Plus, every SnowJoe blower comes backed by our complete 2-year warranty. So when it comes to snow, go with Joe. The 48-volt 18-inch cordless snowblower from SnowJoe. Get equipped to fight winter's fury. You need a force of nature. Arm yourself with the IONMAX 13-inch cordless snow shovel from SnowJoe. Perfect anywhere power is at a premium, IONMAX moves more snow with advanced battery technology and cordless convenience. The shovel is driven by SnowJoe's exclusive 24-volt IONMAX lithium-ion battery system, weighing less than 14 pounds for maximum maneuverability. The shovel can shred up to 300 pounds of snow per minute, while the dual handle design provides back-saving, comfort, and control. Equipped with a heavy-duty 2-blade paddle auger, it throws snow up to 20 feet away, clearing a 13-inch wide by 6-inch deep path with each pass. And the durable scraper blade at the base of the unit lets you clear to the ground without damaging your deck, driveway, or pavement. When the work is done, simply plug the battery pack back in again so it's recharged and ready for the next snowfall. Best of all, it's backed by SnowJoe's complete 2-year warranty for reliable performance season after season, plus a bonus 3rd year of coverage. So blast past the limits of the extension cord this winter and go with Joe. 24-volt, 4-amp-hour cordless snow shovel from SnowJoe. Get equipped.